Is your iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi? Try these simple fixes. Fix 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. First, swipe down from the top of the screen. Turn airplane mode on. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connections and often fixes Wi-Fi issues instantly. Fix 2. Forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Go to Settings. Select Wi-Fi. Tap the info icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Tap Forget this network, then confirm. Now, reconnect to the same Wi-Fi and enter the password again. It will reconnect freshly. Fix 3. Check IP and DNS settings. Still not working? Do this. Go to Settings. Click on Wi-Fi. Tap the info icon next to your network. Make sure Configure IP is set to automatic. Configure DNS is set to automatic. If these were changed manually, Wi-Fi may not connect properly. Fix 4. Turn off VPN. Go to Settings. Click on General. Scroll down, then choose VPN and Device Management. Click on VPN. If a VPN is enabled, turn it off or delete it temporarily. Some VPNs can block Wi-Fi connections. You can reinstall or enable it again later. Fix 5. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly, press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Fix 6. Reset network settings. Go to Settings. Click on General. Then, transfer or reset the iPhone. Again, click on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings. Do not delete photos, videos, or apps. You'll just need to reconnect to Wi-Fi again. Fix 7. Update iOS software. Go to Settings. Click on General. Then choose Software Update. If an update is available, update using mobile data or connect your iPhone to a computer and use iTunes to update. Updates often fix Wi-Fi bugs. One of these fixes should get your Wi-Fi working. For more tip videos, subscribe.